Most freelance web designers treat the site launch like a finish line. That's why they're broke. A website without a post-launch plan is like building a restaurant and forgetting to open the doors. You didn't just hand over a portfolio piece, you handed them a potential business machine. But if it's not optimized to do its job, whether that's booking calls, collecting leads, or making sales, it's wasted potential. This is where you step in. Email funnels, conversion strategy, SEO, analytics, security, performance, AI integrations, even content strategy. Instead of giving them a shiny tool and walking away, show them how to use the tool to actually get results. If you want to make more money per client, stop calling it done when it's just getting started. That launch, it was just the warm-up. If you ghost your client after launch, you're ghosting your next paycheck. Most clients don't know what they need until the dust settles. That's when the entrepreneurial web designers swoop back in with a "how's it going?" and a mini audit. Fix what's broken, optimize what's not, and pitch what they didn't know was possible. Bonus points: if you use Wix Studio, you can trigger that whole sequence automatically after a payment. I made a video showing exactly how. One follow-up email can turn a one-off client into a cash machine. I don't want to offer maintenance to my clients, Brad. Cool. Hope you like chasing new clients every single month. A simple care plan with monthly updates, light tweaks, and basic support can easily add $100 to $500 a month per client. Offer tiered options. Give them something to choose from. Maybe one plan is just for plugin and CMS updates, and another includes content, tweaks, quarterly strategy calls. You can even bundle in uptime monitoring, security patches, priority response, and a limited number of dev and design tasks or hours. And no, it doesn't mean being on call. It means setting boundaries, productizing your time, and using tools like Wix Studio's site history or automations to streamline updates and client touchpoints. If you want stability in your business, make maintenance the norm, not the exception. Most web designers upsell the wrong thing. Nobody needs 17 more pages. You built the engine, now sell them the motor oil, the filters, the monthly tune-up. Clients don't want extra pages, they want momentum. That means monthly content plans so their site doesn't go stale, SEO audits and fixes to keep them visible, social media assets to stay on brand everywhere, design collateral, PDFs, banners, lead magnets, ebooks, and more, ongoing site updates and optimization, strategy sessions to map out their next big move, bonus points if you bundle these into a clear, recurring package. Think white glove service, so they get the most mileage out of their new engine or website. Don't just build the machine, help them drive it, and they'll never look for another mechanic or web designer. If you sign off your email to your client with "just reach out if you need anything," they won't. Before you sign off, try this. Build in the next step. Don't just leave them with a "see ya." Give them a menu, a legit, tangible, handoff asset. What now? What's next? Spell it out. Did they just launch a site? Awesome. Now recommend your SEO boost package, your monthly content plan, your funnel setup, your 90-day growth roadmap. Show them what other clients chose next. Include pricing, purpose, testimonials. Make it Amazon style. Clients also bought this. Nobody buys what they can't see. So package it, recommend it, and make the upgrade path irresistible. Your client doesn't need a tutorial. They need a roadmap. After launch, most clients are overwhelmed, directionless, or frozen. They're staring at this thing you built, wondering, well, now what? That's your moment. Offer a guided 90-day rollout with milestones. Layer in monthly strategy calls to tweak the plan and keep them moving. Help them set up real goals to grow their list, to generate leads, to fill their calendar, and reverse engineer the steps to get there. Package that up, make it feel like a program, not just advice. Give them a plan to win. So if you want to charge more and work less, sell the strategy, not just the stuff. Congratulations, you crushed the project. They are thrilled, but you didn't ask for a referral. Rookie move. Right after a win is your golden window. That post-launch high, that's when they're most excited. and most likely to talk about you. Don't ask, do you know anyone? Ask, who do you know that would benefit from what we just did together? Get a name, get the intro, and sweeten the deal. Give them 10% off their next invoice for every referral that signs. If you want a testimonial, don't ask them to write it themselves. They never will. Write 3 versions yourself based on what you built, the results you got them, and in the client's voice. Format it like this. Before working with Brad, this was the problem. Working together felt like this. And here's what happened after. Then send it over and say, pick one of these and tweak it if you want to. Or if it's good, I'll just run with it. Make it easy for them to say yes. One happy client can unlock a pipeline, but only if you ask the right way at the right time with 0 friction. So if you actually want to do this stuff, automate follow-ups, offer ongoing plans, and run a real post-launch system that makes you more money without having to get more clients every single month, Wix Studio makes it stupid simple. That's why I use it in my business and why my clients keep coming back. Link below if you want to check it out.